When you think about protection, you absolutely think about OtterBox. So without further ado, this is the OtterBox Commuter case for the Pixel 7a. Looking at the package, you see OtterBox there. You see the little otter itself swimming in water. Very, very similar packaging from OtterBox. Now, when it comes to OtterBox, it is a well-known, reputable company, and they are the pioneers of drop protected. 3 times drop tested to military standards. It's a dual layer protection for your Pixel 7a, 5G compatible, made for Google Pixel. This is a made for Google Pixel official accessory. So without further ado, let's go ahead and remove the case from its packaging. On the back, you do have some minor features there. Has wireless charging compatible, pocket friendly design, meaning nice, sleek, and friendly. A secure grip made with more than 35% recycled plastic and lasting antimicrobial properties to protect the case and yourself from any germs. Looking at the case itself, it is the color of money green, with OtterBox there at the bottom of the case. Now obviously you are gonna have other color options itself. Now this is the dual layer case design. You do have the soft TPU, as you can see, very nice and flexible, very shock absorbing, and you have the outer plastic shell that's as hard as hell. Combined, it's going to give you maximum protection for your Pixel 7a. So without further ado, let's go ahead and grab the Pixel 7a and place this bad boy inside. Now this is a very snug fit. I think to make it easier, let's go ahead and place the soft TPU first, and then go ahead and add the hard plastic shell on the outer side for easy installation. Actually, that works the best. And look at that, very nice, very protective OtterBox case here. Commuter feels very solid in hand. You do have added grip patterns there all around the side of the device, so this phone's not going to go sliding anywhere. 100% cover buttons. The cutouts are nice and precise. You do have a cover port there to protect your charging port from any debris or lint getting in there, damaging your charging capabilities. Looks absolutely fantastic. Left side of the phone, you do have this tremendous pattern here, very grippy. Actually, it actually feels very nice and grippy. On the top of the case, you do have the cutout for the mic, nice and precise, as you can see there, no issues there. You also have this beautiful cutout there for the earpiece. This case is not going to interfere with muting when on a call or anything like that. Some of the cases forget to give you this cutout here and mutes. You don't hear your recipient on the other side because it's absolutely covering your earpiece there. On the right side, you do have that same grip pattern there, plus you got 100% cover buttons, nice and tactile, very responsive, feels very good in hand. You do have absolutely protection all around the front of this case, so you are protected if you lay your phone face down on a flat surface. And I do have a tempered glass screen protector currently installed, and it is going to work just fine with that tempered glass screen protector. Looks fantastic. And on its back, you do have that cutout there for your camera visor, and you do have this beautiful lip protruding over it, so you are protected if you lay your phone on its back on a flat surface. You're not going to scratch that Pixel camera setup. And moving on to wireless charging, of course this is gonna wirelessly charge through the case with no issues whatsoever, even with the added bulk side. Now this does add a little bit of weight to your device, but that's okay, because if you're looking at OtterBox, you're looking for the maximum protection at all costs, and this commuter case is going to give you the most protection you can get. They're going to try to keep it as minimal and slim as possible to give you that protection. This green looks absolutely fantastic, looks very beautiful. And I know because you guys are going to ask me in the comment section below, how do you remove the case? Well, removing it is just as simple as installing it. You're going to go ahead and remove the outside plastic shell first. Bam, bam, bam. That's so. And then remove the soft TPU, and voila. Link to this will be in the description of the video if you want to go ahead and pick yourself up the OtterBox Commuter case for the Pixel 7a. Again, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.